Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from running background apps when the browser is closed. This can help reduce unnecessary resource usage and prevent Chrome from continuing to run in the background after you close the browser. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click on System. Here, you'll see an option called Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed. If this option is turned on, Chrome may continue running certain apps and processes in the background even after you close the browser. To stop Chrome from running background apps, click the toggle next to this option to turn it off. Once the setting is turned off, Chrome will stop running background apps after you close the browser. You can now close the Settings tab. The change will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Google Chrome from running background apps when it is closed. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.